Welcome to Inspire for Travel. My name is Wemba Imani and today I'm in Southeast London. Yes, you get it right. I'm in the Blue Borough, known as the Blue Borough. That is Lewisham. Now today I'll be exploring Lewisham, seeing some of the shopping areas and just getting a real nice vibe of the place. So let's explore Lewisham. If you're new around here, I'll appreciate if you can do me a favor. Like the video, share the video with all your friends and contacts, and subscribe to the channel by clicking on the red box below this video that says subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for your custom. Let's explore Lewisham. So right now we are in Lewisham. Now Lewisham is known as the Blue Borough. Now one of the reasons why, if you notice right here, for example, this bin here is blue, okay, and some of the plaques for the borough that says Lewisham is also blue. So you'll notice that in other areas you'll probably see a green bin or a green plaque which says the name of the area, but in Lewisham everything's blue, so it's known as the Blue Borough. Now it's a diverse community again, one of the unique places in London. Okay, you have people from the Caribbean, especially for in the early 60s, 70s, a lot of them, Lewisham was an area which a lot of them moved to. Okay, and we have people from other parts of the world that lives in this area. Now there's a shopping area, there's also a high street with different shops and restaurants and all that good vibe, that good jazz. So we'll be just seeing what the vibe is like. It's a chill day in the sense that it's not too hot, not too cold. Seems quite slow pace at the moment. But as we walk onto the high street, I guess we'll be seeing different people, getting a different idea about the place. So this is it, pretty much it at the moment. One of the first things I would say, what I notice about the area, is quite wide. The roads are definitely wider roads in comparison to other areas, say in West London. So they got wide roads. Over there, where we're walking to right now, that's the Lewisham shopping center, and you'll find different shops and stuff like that. So we'll check that out. Different shops, and there's also like a mini market where you can go and buy a lot of things like fruits and vegetables and different things like that. Now, if you had checked out my vlog on West Ealing, you'll notice that there's like a farmer's market in West Ealing every week. So it's kind of similar vibes here. It's not really a farmer's market, but you can get a lot of deals on fruits and vegetables. You can see right now I'm walking out. This is like the little market we have here every day, really, in Lewisham. So this is it. So if you notice, we can get things like corn, we can get things like potatoes. Okay. They also have hats and different things here, as you can see. There are also bags and suitcases and trolleys, especially for shopping. You can use these things. And again, we're seeing fruits and vegetables. How you doing, sir? Yeah, fruits and vegetables. A wide section of fruits and vegetables can be found here. Tomatoes, bananas, bell peppers, you know, your standard stuff that you'll expect to see when you're looking for fruits and vegetables. One of the things I would say though with these places, you do get fruits and vegetables at a reasonable price. So for example, if we look at these mangoes here, they're going for £2 for £1, okay? And you have hot peppers that, you know, the whole box you can get at for £7. Now if you go to other areas, you won't be able to get, well, I don't say other areas, but other known say supermarkets like the big brands, you won't get such deals. So this is a reason why some people actually come here. Now this is amazing. We have skin up. Yes, boss. We have skin up, we have pumpkins, we have cassava, all the good things like, you know, coconuts, and these are certain things you will find in the West Indies. So it's really interesting that we actually have these things here today. So yeah, I'm liking it. If you're wondering when is the best time to come, well, they're actually open every day. So if you get to Lewisham, come out the train station, you can come here and check out these markets here. These vendors are on here every day. So again, you can see another unique feature here. We have plantains, green banana, there's spinach, there are also yams, a lot of yams. I'm noticing that when I travel to a lot of these areas, especially which has areas which you can definitely see cultural diversity, you'll see a lot of yams. Okay, so if we walk in here, this is like a butcher's, okay, and you can get all your high street stuff. No, not high street, but your food stuff you will expect to see in different countries across the world, you know, like in Africa and the Caribbean and different places. They have all these things right here, the peppers, you know, the peanut butter and different things. So sorry, so I'm really liking it. Coming in here, what it does show me is that the area is definitely, sorry brother, that the area is definitely culturally diverse, because you can tell by some of the shops you see in the area. So yeah, this is really interesting. So pretty much in terms of, you know, your main shopping areas in Lewisham, like where you will shop, where a lot of people come out for shopping, is definitely what we've seen here. Of course, if you walk further in, there are your regular high street and corner shops that you can actually find in Lewisham as well. That's also there. But pretty much this is the vibe here. I'm gonna take a walk back to where we were before and see if we have actually missed any other stalls in the market. So let me know how you're enjoying the vlog so far. I think Lewisham is amazing. I'm liking the diversity that I'm actually seeing here. And so far as I'm touring London, I've noticed that, you know, if you know where to go, depending on where you're visiting in London, you could find a lot of amazing stuff that you don't usually see. And you don't necessarily have to go on a holiday to find those products. You can find it right here in London. And that's different parts, from North London, South London, East London, West London. I'm noticing that you can find different things. You just have to know where to go. So I'm liking that vibe so far. Let me know what you think of Lewisham so far. Have you been here before? What do you think about the vibes here today? Let me show you what I'm seeing on my screen now. So again, I'm seeing a fish shop, you know, and they have fresh fish here. You know, things like prawns, sea bass I'm noticing here. They have large ones. Wow, look at that. All fresh fish. You know, if you want to do your fry fish, you want to bake fish or whatever you want to do, you can find it here. So that's really interesting. I do notice in some of the big supermarkets, the name brand supermarkets, some of the fish you find won't be like these ones you just saw there. So that's quite good. You can get that here if you incorporate fish in your diet. So far we're seeing a lot of fruits and vegetables on this side. I didn't walk this side yet, so we'll see if we'll find different things. But we do see someone here selling watches, which is quite good, watches and stuff like that. So we're seeing wow. Oh, I tell you, if you're really looking for a bargain for fruits and vegetables in Lewisham, you can definitely find it here. Oh, there's corn. Wow. You can do roast corn, you can do boiled corn, you can find it here. Apples, strawberries. Wow, this is amazing. And usually you can buy it by a bowl, by the bowl there. So sometimes it's like literally £1 a bowl, and you get a whole bowl of, you know, string beans, peppers, and everything. So that's really a bang for your buck. So these are all suitcases, bags, trolleys. Oh, okay. We have something different here. Bin bags, plates. We have, you know, different things for the kitchen here. So that's quite unique. Well, not unique, but in the sense it brings a certain level of diversity in this market, because we were mostly seeing fruits and vegetables. More fish. If you notice, further down the road we saw a fish shop, but you can also get it right here on the high street. This is more different fish. Yeah, so we're seeing more shops. This is like your normal high street shops. So for example, we have chef takeaways, Chester, these kind of things. You know, these are shops you find in different areas in London, actually, not only in Lewisham. So that was pretty much for that mini market there, right outside the shopping center. And what I do like about it, it's not really hard to locate this market. Literally, if you come to Lewisham, you find the shopping center. You just have to go outside of the shopping center at the back entrance, and then boom, you have that little mini market there. So that's really nice. So you can see, as we're walking again, we're coming up to a pub. People are sitting and having a little drink, you know, having a drink. And pretty much it's in terms of shopping in the area. This is the vibe here in Lewisham. Now, of course, Lewisham is close to other areas like Catford and different places in southeast London. Greenwich is nearby. So, you know, it's in a strategic location, especially if you want to explore southeast London. Let's take a cross here. This is the Lewisham Library. Lewisham Library. So you get a lot of students and people in the local community that actually come here to study and borrow books. Here you have your, you notice people are actually getting their nails done and things like that. So this is the real local style where people actually come out and get a lot of things for their homes and different things like that. You know, you're getting a real idea of what the community, where people shop in the area. And if you visit here, these are some of the places you can check out. But where we previously walked, that's like the main area in which, you know, people visit in Lewisham in particular will actually come. You know, they'll check out the shopping center, they'll check out the mini market. You know, that is what people will do when they come here. Across the road here. Now Lewisham actually, I think it was in the either the 60s or the 70s, it came on the news because there was a great fire that happened here and many teenagers lost their lives. I think at least 13 of them. And that was very interesting. I'm actually vlogging today. Can I ask you, I mean, what do you think about the area, Lewisham? What's your thoughts, your opinion about here? You mind being on camera? Please. Not today? All right, you have a good day though, yeah? Yeah. She didn't want to be on the camera. You know, that's one of the challenges I faced when doing these vlogging here. Some people don't want to be on camera, you know, so I guess, you know, some people have their choices and I have to respect that. If you don't want to be filmed or interviewed, but you still have to try, you know. So this is like a cathedral here. On the left, you see, you really got that Victorian design on the cathedral there, real traditional, you know, that kind of Gothic look. And right next to it, we see some buildings popping up, which has more of a modern touch. Not this one actually. This one is, you know, your standard type of look that you'll see. But right next to it there, that one with the different colors, we have orange, pink, green. That's a very interesting mixture there. I'm not sure if it's a student accommodation or so. Yes, boss. Good, yeah? Yeah. So over here we have something like a student accommodation, I think, or some apartments. Very colorful, as you can see. Very colorful. So pretty much this is it. I'll wrap it up here. I do trust that everyone actually have enjoyed today's vlog, and I appreciate your time for watching my videos. My name is Wemba Imani, and thank you for watching Inspire for Travel. I'll do appreciate if you can also do me a favor. Like the video, share the video with all your friends and contacts, and subscribe to the channel by clicking on the red box below this video that says subscribe. Thank you.